What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This way you find the hottest microcap plays in the crypto space, Tectonic community. I see you guys showed super support on my previous Tectonic video, and I'd really appreciate if you guys could continue to support. I will continue to cover the project on the channel. Meme Coin Daily, 588 subscribers. If you hold Tectonic, you're checking out this video, you're new to Tectonic, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Really helps the channel out. And before we get into the video, I just gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest into any crypto asset. Now, Tectonic, guys, as I researched the project, I really love what I saw being a part of the Kronos crypto.com blockchain, and I really do believe it has a great future ahead, especially going on to the next cycle. The next cycle may start in 2024, going on to the Bitcoin halving. But hey, this is the time when you accumulate, you know what I'm saying? This is the time you add to your bags, you diversify, and be sure when the cycle does come around and Tectonic starts going to the moon, you guys take profits. Now let's head over to CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin is at $16,800. If we look at the chart of Bitcoin, a lot of people are saying it could fall all the way down to $14,000, $13,000 because of the recent black swan with FTX. And we see how that has sent ripples throughout the market, and contagion is starting to spread. A lot of projects that were close to FTX will probably take most of the impact, but the broader market will take a lot of the impact as well. And if we come down to KronosCrypto.com, it's down 5% today. Just under 8 cents, guys, and you can see right here we were making a move back up, you know what I'm saying. On the 9th we were ready to make a move back up because the stock market has done pretty well this week, but because of that black swan with FTX, that just, you know, put a huge dent into the market, and then prices started to fall again. Bitcoin goes down to 14k. You could see a huge drop in CRO, guys, you know what I'm saying, because alts always take more brunt of the price impact when Bitcoin starts falling, guys. So if you're gonna get into projects, be sure to DCA in. It's the smartest thing to do, guys. Be sure to take your time and DCA in, because you're never gonna catch the bottom, because no one really knows where the market would go, you know what I'm saying. A lot of people thought the bottom was in at around 17k, then a black swan event happened. A lot of people believe now the bottom will be in at 14k, but who knows what could happen. That could change, you know what I'm saying. One great news event and then the bottom all of a sudden was 15k, 15,600, around that. So yeah, it's always better to DCA into projects. Now when we look at Tectonic, down 3%, 11.67 million in market cap, 217k, 24-hour trade volume down 31%. As you can see, let's take a look at the 7-day. Like I said, guys, we were already on the move back to the upside. Bitcoin would be trading at 30k and ETH would be at probably $2,000, and that would have made Tectonic and the other alts move up as well on the broader market. But because of that black swan with FTX, now we're on a bit of a downtrend, and we could go lower if Bitcoin does go down to that 14k range. So yeah, if you're planning to get into Tectonic, now would be a nice entry, but be sure to DCA in, because you never know if it could go even lower. Now, because of recent events on what happened with FTX exchange and Sam Bankman-Fried, CZ Binance decided to do a proof of reserve where they show what assets are in their cold wallet, just to give more transparency to their exchange. So the same thing that happened to FTX, they're letting the investors know won't happen with Binance. And recently Crypto.com has done the same thing as well. CEO and founder Chris just released their proof of reserve. There was some FUD surrounding that 19% of holdings are in Shiba Inu, which is a meme coin, and a lot of people were kind of like, you know, speculating about it. But Chris replies and lets people know they securely store one-to-one everything of our users, buy and hold on the platform. So the SHIB holdings that we see here are one-to-one backed assets of the customers' holdings, and Chris broke it down for everyone. Transparency is very good for the space. A lot of other exchanges are breaking down their proof of reserve as well. There's still a lot of speculation and controversy surrounding the topic, especially in the bear market. A lot of people, you know, it will be amplified because a lot of people are on edge. A lot of people have lost money in the bear market. Smartest thing to do if you purchase your crypto on crypto.com, transfer them to your cold wallet like a ledger. If you don't have one of those yet, you could always transfer it to your MetaMask wallet, Trust wallet. But the safest place to keep your crypto right now is on a ledger, guys, because you just never know what could happen. So right now I'm just covering any news I see on the Cronos ecosystem and the Cronos blockchain, crypto.com, because as the Cronos ecosystem develops, as CRO grows and mass adoption happens, projects like Tectonic will get more eyes on them as being some of the first V apps on the Cronos ecosystem. We have a tweet from DeFi Dave: World Cup in 8 days, crypto.com will be shown to the masses. This isn't just going to be great, it's going to be awesome. Come build on the Cronos chain, $CRO. And we have an image right here of crypto.com, definitely always crushing it on the marketing side. FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 official FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 sponsor, crypto.com. Brand new eyes to crypto.com, CRO. The World Cup will be broadcasted worldwide, and people may be interested in checking out the Cronos chain, the Cronos ecosystem. They might learn more about crypto, and they may stumble across a project like Tectonic. As I'm going through Twitter, I do see a lot of fear in the space right now. The bear market has been harsh for everyone. Everyone is lacking trust in the space, but we know crypto adoption is the future, guys. So it's up to you what you decide to do. Safest bet to make: if you truly believe in a project, you make your investment, never invest more than you're willing to lose, and then you transfer it to a cold wallet just to be on the safer side. I see a lot of tweets, like I said, surrounding the whole proof of reserve and how crypto.com has 20% of their reserve holdings in Shiba. But there's also the other side of the spectrum where there's persons like Jimmy. Let's see those green screens. CRO fam, it's CRO Friday, and I'm taking advantage of the 8-cent range. And then he just purchased some CRO, and we see other people in the CRO community still supporting, still behind the project. But everything is a risk in the space, guys, especially right now. You just never know. So please be safe out there, guys. Tweet from Bitcoin Magazine: breaking FTX new CEO John Ray confirms hack, says they're working with law enforcement to locate and recover funds. So on top of everything that was happening with FTX, there was also a $600 million hack, and it's just bad news for the space right now, guys. It's times like this, it's to DCA in the bear market, guys. Get as much bags as you can in projects you believe in. Diversify projects like Tectonic, and then just wait, diamond hand, until the bull market is back. You take your profits. Never forget to take profits. If you go to Chris of crypto.com's Twitter page, you will see a full breakdown of the reserve holdings, all the different wallets, and that an audit is being underway. But there is still a lot of controversy surrounding 20% of the holdings being in Shiba Inu. This space is very volatile, very risky. The harsh truth of this space is, guys, if it's not Bitcoin, maybe Ethereum, it will be a gamble. This is why you never invest more than you're willing to lose. The thing is though, guys, when it comes to this space, if you're looking to make those life-changing gains, you'll have to take those risks. If you are looking for a 50 to 100x project, you will have to take those risks and get into micro cap projects. Now the risk, obviously high risk, high reward. Now there's still a way to manage your risk by diversifying into different projects, having less exposure to projects, never investing more than you can afford. And who knows, guys, that one chance you take on projects you believe in could work out very well for you in the future. We have a tweet from Selfmade Decal where he took a clip from my previous YouTube video. I was mentioning yet another YouTube crypto video. I'm just here to help people, and if it makes it onto another platform, that's giving projects like TONIC even more exposure. It's a win-win in my opinion. Passive income, CRO fam. And this is what you like to see in a community. You guys are spreading the word of TONIC, letting more and more people know about TONIC, which brings new eyes to the project, which will help so much when the market turns bullish once again. Once the storm clears, the dust settles, you never know what could happen in the future for a project like TONIC, guys. If you hold TONIC, if this is your first time hearing about the project, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section on all the news that we covered today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything TONIC and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.